welcome. This is Adusman. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import data from Google Sheets online. The data which can be stored in Google Sheets can be easily imported in Power BI, and the modifications or transformations can be done here. And then we can create more visuals out of the clean data. We have some data in a Google Sheet file, and then we will import that data inside of Power BI. Let me show you how it's done. In this file, we have certain data which is in the form of a table, and we have got order ID, order date, channel, and different dimensions of the data. And then we have got value and profit as well. First of all, we would like to ensure that we can share this data by clicking on this share button. And we will copy the link from here. When the link is copied, we will go back to Power BI desktop, and we will go to get data from web. I will paste the URL here. And in the URL, we have to modify some part of this. And in the URL, we'll have to delete whatever is there on the right side of the last /. So we'll delete this portion, and instead we are going to write export format equals XLSX, and click OK. It will create a connection, and now it will show you a preview of the data. The data is correct. We will click on the checkbox and click on transform data. So now we have this data inside of Power Query. We are going to do our required modifications here. And once we are satisfied, we are going to push this data inside Power BI. For doing that, I'm going to rename the query as sales data. And then I'm going to hit the close and apply button here. Now the data is inside Power BI, and we can see the sales data on the right side. And now we can create a simple visual out of this data by we will use this clustered column chart. And I'm going to put the product category in the x-axis and sales value and let's say profit in the y-axis. So we have this simple visual here in which we have imported this data directly from Google Sheets. If there is any update on the data on the Google Sheets, you'll have to just hit the refresh button here, and the data will automatically be updated in this visual. So this is a very simple video. I hope you would have enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.